Hello kids, today we will learn color name, English alphabet, counting numbers and shape names. Say with me, color name: pink, blue, yellow, orange, purple, green, red, sky blue, light green. Write with me, uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Say with me, shape name: circle. Again say with me, circle. Say with me, shape name: square. Again say with me, the name of shape: square. Say with me, the shape name: rectangle. Again say with me, the name of shape: rectangle. Say with me, the name of shape: triangle. Again say with me, triangle. Say with me, the name of shape: oval. Again say with me, oval. Say with me, the name of shape: heart. Again say with me, heart. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20. Subscribe for more video.